I want to welcome you back to this channel, and this is the 5th of our challenge. And like I said in the 4 about Warrior Plus offer, so now we've gotten a response from our vendor and we have like the 2 offer approved. So we are going to walk through how to promote this and how we can get to market this to the targeted audience. And we are going to make the money that they promised us to make, which is 50%, 100% commission, and the rest of it in the funnel, right? So now coming over to my mail, you can see I have like 3 approved almost like few minutes together. So I'm just going to click on this last one right there. So you can see these the details of the products. You can see our commission. So I love this so much because this is going to give me a lot of money if I'm not mistaken. This is 100% on the FE and also 75% down the rest of the funnel. So I'm just going to click on this right here to get access to my dashboard where I can get to click on my link, and I'm going to see if this vendor includes some promotional image, promotional tools that I can use. As you can see right here, so it's there. So if I click on JV page, you are going to see some little details that I'm going to explain how to use right here. So you can see this our preview sales letter, which we can use these email swipes. We need it for this promotion in particular. So we are going to do all of this. So this is more about the information. This is more like more information about the products that we want to sell. This is a graphical image that we can snip and use. And that's how this works perfectly. So I know Jono Armstrong. So he's one of my mentor lately. So, and he's doing great. So he's a great man. And I bet it with you, you can do so much together if you want to sell this offer, right? So now I'm going to come back here to check my email swipes. And I promise this is going to be like a little converting to get the best traffic to buy our product now. So how do we promote this offer? So with that being said, guys, we come over right here to our offer. You can see we have our affiliate link, which we are going to use in a bit. So the very first thing, as we've already mapped out our audience, which are business owners, and also because I work on this is not the product I use in the other one. So I work on this and I know my targeted audience. So my targeted audience are marketers, business owners. You can see right here. You can read here. So they said literally anyone can start making money one day on day one, including non-marketers and all that requires. So anybody with internet access, business owner, small business owner, startups, marketers, affiliates, anybody that works online can use this, and it's very good. And you can see it's a coaching service, which is very, very awesome, right? So now, after getting our audience and we know people that we want to sell to, we are going to come over to google.com using this command. So you are going to see right here. So we want to scrape emails as I've showed in day one. So if you want to have more knowledge about this, go to day one, which I'm going to link in the description below too. So you can click on that and watch day one, and also you watch day two, because we are going to use the very 2 days in this video. And all I'm going to explain in this video is just like little knowledge that I wish you should know about this to get this right, because this is quite a difference with the one when we are selling software, right? So coming over right here, you are going to put it right here, LinkedIn. If you want to start from LinkedIn, you can start on Instagram, you can start on YouTube, you can start on Facebook, or any social media at all, Twitter. It works perfectly too. So but for me, I'm going to start with LinkedIn, and here I'm going to choose like marketer. So I'm going to choose like marketer right here. Marketers, or let me leave it like marketers. So I'm going to choose any location I wish. So for me, I'm going to try Texas, and I'm going to leave it as gmail.com. So after this, I'm just going to hit search. And once I hit search, it's going to scrape every of the emails of people, marketers in Texas for me. So now to get a good quality of number, you have to repeat this for different states and different social media and different audience, right? So after all of this, you are going to copy everything. Then you come over to light14.us to remove all the emails from that bulk page view. So you are going to paste it right there, and you are going to switch this to new column. Sorry, next new line. So you are going to extract. You can see this is like 10 emails. So you are going to get like 500 of this to get the quality of this thing, right? So now, after you script all of this email, what you are going to do is you should watch the video from day 2 where I teach how you can set up your automation, and you can use this email, this get response to set up everything to automate this marketing for us for 7 days. You can see, but now the difference between this video and the one in day 2 is just that you are not going to use any AI to write your email swipes, as the vendor have provide the email swipes that we are going to use. So this is what we are going to use to sell this. You can see right here. This is the very first one, and the rest down the funnel. So right here is where you are going to highlight, and you change to your affiliate link, and that's how it goes. So if you have any issue or you have any question about this, you can drop in the comment section below, and or you can join my WhatsApp community with the first link in the description, and you can get speaks with me and drop your question on the group where I can get to see it quickly and attend to you ASAP, right? So now go over to your Warrior Plus, check your approved products, pick it up, script your emails of your targeted audience, and watch the one video which is in the description below. Watch the 2 to set this up, and I will see you in day 6 where we talk about something new and we are going to make money together. So like this video, share with your friend that you want to make money online with, and I will urge you to subscribe to this channel. So let's keep growing together, and we can do much together over the time, right? So then guys, stay at peace.